Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
I dare you to let me be your one and only. Promise I love you until the end of times. I was just watching a vlog of the Lerato M, and I think she was in Germany. A vlog, vanity vlog. A concert to Adele. So since after watching it, I've just been singing this song. Anyways, guys, hi, my name is Yvonne, and if you're new here, thank you for tuning in into my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, my love. I truly appreciate your support. Comment, like, and share my videos. I am opening this vlog. It is the 23rd of October on a Wednesday, and I've decided to open this vlog. Guys, please don't mind my shirt. I have a toddler. It's actually clean, but she touched me. So I'm home. I'm not gonna change it. I've already took a shower. I've just finished like tying this bun because of whenever I'm trying to get busy, it distracts me. So I wanted to tie my hair up. And then I was like, why not start a vlog? Because I've missed you guys. Even though you guys are not commenting, are not sharing my stuff, but I've missed you, hey? I've missed you guys. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. And I hope you will like it. I hope you will stay. Tell them to hit the subscribe button. Guys, I want to show you something. I want to show you something very cute that my man got me. Oh, this man. Wait, I'm coming. So the other day, I was complaining to my man. I don't have any accessories. Like Nanje, I'm just that girl. But it's mainly because of I lose most of them. Like I never really like take care of my stuff, so most of the time I just lose them. So we were planning on going on a date or something. So I just told him, I need to get more accessories and stuff because I really don't have any sort of accessory, guys. There's even my watch, your watch, I don't have it. I only have like, I think a few earrings, maybe two pairs of earrings. So the other day when he got back from work, he got me this, guys. Aww, it was so sweet of him. I wasn't actually expecting it, so but then I really appreciate his effort and clothes. So I'm just gonna, I've already unboxed it. It's a product from Avon. So he went out of his way and found someone who's selling Avon and bought me an Avon product. So I've already unboxed the thingy, and it also has a little message here. It says, I'm not sure if you guys will see it, but it says a little way to brighten up your day. Nice, guys. Jolang. Mina makushiswa madoda. When you guys decide to ukshisa madoda, please don't call me because of the rights. Well, I've already unboxed it, but it wasn't really like this. So he got me a cute watch. How nice. A cute watch that comes with a bracelet. It wasn't like this, it's just that I've already removed the stuff, but it was very nice. It was packed very nicely. So let's see how it looks. So I just want to buy a cute little dress, you know, look fine, and wear these accessories. The short and necklace. Then guys, my skin, I'm really happy with my skin, even though I may love base, but I just love it. There you go. How does it look? Or should I put the bracelet over here? I'm actually with my daughter, guys, as usual. So she's been trying to communicate lately. She's trying to talk, even though she's gibberishing. I really don't understand her language, but I just like seeing her daughter growing. Okay. I was never really a gold accessories girly, but I think I'm in love with gold accessories. I feel like it's silver. How does it look, guys? It looks amazing, eh? Now go for the text. So yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you. I think I've already done this intro, yeah? So let us clean together, and I really hope you would like this vlog. Right, okay.
This is what I say from throw it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, Adam still make it, college park, cover home, hummus floating on chrome, choking on that homegrown, they got that southern cooking, they got them fellas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no, shawty can't handle this, ever got that fire like,
Mask. Morning, guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, I'm following up here. Sexy ninja baby. Okay,
Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to do like a quick update on what I've been up to. Today it's a Sunday. I last vlogged on, I think on Friday. Yeah, so on Friday I was just craving a frappe, so sorry. I then went to McDonald's to get myself a frappe. And yesterday I didn't do much. I only went to refill Leo's nappies and some few toiletries. I just didn't vlog that because my battery was very low, so I couldn't vlog that part. So today it's a Sunday. I've just woke up. Please don't ask me why I'm wearing this shirt. I didn't sleep with it. I wasn't wearing anything when I woke up, so I just grabbed it so that I can get back to you guys. So today it's a Sunday. Nothing much to do. We are just gonna chill with my man. He actually bought alcohol, so we're just gonna chill. And then I'm thinking of closing the vlog tomorrow, but then tomorrow we do have some few errands run, and also I just feel like I want to get my nails done. I want to get my nails and toenails and also my lashes done. I'm not sure about the lashes because of I'm not really a lash girly. I'm just like so sensitive when it comes to those departments whereby someone will have to stick glue into my lashes. So but I would really love to try them out. The last time I had my lashes done, it was like in 2016, my matric dance. That was the first and the last time. So I just wanna see and explore and see how I actually look on my lashes. So yeah guys, I hope you are enjoying my vlog. Please hit the subscribe button. I would really like us to grow my YouTube, because I do see the views. I see a lot of views. People are viewing my first vlog. It's around about 100 and something people that had viewed, but I don't see any movement. I don't see any subscription. So please guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Even if you can do road to 50, and please do subscribe. If you're watching, if you are returning viewer and you are realizing that you haven't subscribed, please just hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. So yeah guys, let me go about my day. I take a shower. Hey, nice, lovely Leo. Yeah, so sorry for opening this vlog in the morning. So yeah guys, we will talk once I have something to show you, but for now I'll see you guys later.
You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yeah, no, maybe. In the meantime, it's not for what I want. It's some me time. Hope you do what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm all my killers don't tell. Chateau, I'm up the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you do what you want. But it's been a few hours and it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I didn't think we ever be so crazy. I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. 'Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but you know you can tell me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold you. Take time, gotta trust who I let you trust. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I didn't think we ever be so crazy. I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. 'Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but you know you can tell me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what your loving means. Let me up and let me go. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I didn't get my head so I can see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Instead I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but you know you can tell me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down. Hey, yeah. Don't fuck me up.
Good day, mama, safe to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now. cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some similar change to be a war in my mind. Gotta let go of when he was holding me. Choose the rest, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I wave my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always always inside, good living in my mind. Hold me on my feet.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Chateau mama, got the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You fucking warm with my heart. You think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Can we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take.
Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, I came to show you my nails and then I'm closing off this vlog. So it was actually the next day. Yesterday we finished so late that I couldn't even show you my nails. So this is how my nails are looking, and honestly I am not happy with these nails. It was my first time getting my nails there. I did this thing. I am not happy. I didn't get what I wanted. I hope you guys can see them clearly. Like Sana, I am giving them a 4 out of 10. I'm a gel lady, so this is not acrylic, it's actually gel. I feel like the lady, she can't do gel nails, but she could have just told me. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm here to close off the vlog. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're new here, thank you. I truly appreciate your support, and also to my returning subscribers. And guys, please also hit me with a heart just to show that you've watched till the end. And yeah guys, I will see you guys on another video. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you